So to create an object morphing animation, guys, you need to have Alight Motion. So what we are going to do next is to click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen right now. So when you click on it, you are going to have new project. Here you tap on it, you can change the name to Morphing Animation. Let's say Morphing Animation. You can decide to give it a different name. So I like using aspect ratio 16:9. Then you can now select your own color if you wish. So I decide to use light gray. From here you click on create project. So you are going to have this interface, and guys, please make sure you have the image you want to use for this animation. Make sure your images are ready. You get my point. So what you're going to do next is to click on the plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Alright, so from here you click on media. Now once you click on media, it will take you to your gallery where you will be able to upload one of the images right now. Alright guys, I just brought in Alight Motion logo, understand? So I want us to work on it. You get my point? So look at it here. As you can see, it is big and I want to reduce the size. So I'll tap on move and transform down here. So when I click on it, so from here I'm going to tap on this scale. You get my point? So I will leave it at 400. Understand? Here is the direction. You can use it to move to any direction, anywhere you want it to be. So I'll just drag it to this particular side of the screen. You get my point? Now what you need to do next is please make sure you pay attention. Make sure you like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. You get my point? So you're going to add keyframe at the beginning of this layer. You can decide to move the video a bit, maybe somewhere here. Now add keyframe at the beginning, then go towards the end of the video. Now you can add another keyframe. You get my point? Now once another keyframe is added, you can now just move the image to the other end of the screen. So you decide to keep your own anywhere you want. So I just left my own right here. So that is okay. So when that is done, let's see. So look at the video here. So you tap on it again. Understand? When you tap on it, you tap on move and transform. We are going to make the object turn. So click on the rotate button. When you click on it, now add keyframe at the beginning also. Make sure you position it so that you'll be able to add keyframe on the first keyframe. I don't know if you get my point. So you can add keyframe right here. Now move it to the other keyframe. So you are going to turn it to minus 360, which will give you minus 1 time. Understand? This is minus 1 time. So you leave it right there. You get my point? So this is just it. Now as you can see, we are not done. Please guys, if you are getting value from this tutorial, make sure you let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to like and comment, subscribe to this channel if you really want to learn about motion design and video editing. You get my point? So now this is it. If you play the video, you're going to have something like this, and that is perfect. So the next thing we are going to do, you tap on graph. Look at graph is below the keyframe. So we tap on graph and you set it the way I set my own. Set this one the way I set my own, like this. You get my point? Understand? So if you play the video, you are going to have something like this. You get my point? So that is just it. That is just it, guys. So the next thing we are going to do is to tap on it. So you go back to move and transform. Now at this point, you notice that the image is very big, even at the middle. So we want to reduce it from the middle. Understand? So we are going to move the video a bit, somewhere here, maybe at the center, somewhere here, like this. Understand? So we are going to come to scale. When we get to scale, we bring it back to the beginning. Now add keyframe where you added the other keyframes. You add keyframe. Now come towards the last keyframe also. Now add another keyframe. Add another keyframe. Now come towards the middle. The middle part. The middle part of it, like this. So from here you can add another keyframe. Then you reduce the size. Can reduce the size to somewhere 280. Maybe I'll leave it at 280. So you are going to have something like this. You get my point? So that is very, very perfect. In between the first two keyframes. Understand? Now what you need to do, tap on it, tap on graph. Now on this point you are going to move the graph like this. I'm going to move the graph like this. You get my point? Now go in between the last two keyframes. So here you're going to move the graph like this. Please make sure you pay attention and follow the way I'm doing. Alright, so when that is done, let's see what we got. You get my point? So guys, that is perfect. That is very, very perfect. So the next thing for us to do here is you tap on this navigation button. Come to the middle as it is, tap on the navigation button again. So now we want to add motion blur to it. So you click on effect. When you click on effect, tap on add effect. So at this point you go to blur. When you go to blur, click on motion blur. Now click on standard settings. You get my point? So it depends on where you see the blur effect and how you want it to be. But I want to reduce my own to 80. Understand? So you can decide to make your own either 100, but I will prefer you leave it at 80 or 70. You get my point? So when you leave it at that, then you can now tap on this navigation button and go back. So let's see what we got. You get my point? So guys, at this point we have to bring in another image. We are using two images for this. Alright, so what you need to do is to duplicate this particular layer. Understand? So you tap on it. Now click on duplicate. So click on duplicate layer right here, and we will have two layers. Now what you do here is you tap on any of the layer. Now go to color and fill. At this point you click on this button, then you bring in the image you want to use, this particular button right here. So I just brought in another image, which is CapCut logo. You get my point? So I'll click on this navigation button, So look at it here. So I'm going to tap on this CapCut logo and make it be in front. Understand? So if I play the video now, you will see everything we did on the Alight Motion image will be applied on the CapCut. So look at it here. Now come to the middle keyframe here. Come to the middle keyframe here. Set it at the middle keyframe. Now tap on the first one, which is the Alight Motion. Tap on it. Now you will have to click on cut, this particular one. This one after. So when that is done, tap on OK. So now tap on the second layer. So you click on the one before. When you click on the one before, understand? So this is what you're going to get. So if you play the video, you have something like this. Understand? So your morphing animation is ready. You get my point? So I believe you understand what I'm teaching you, and I believe you'll be able to create it. That is how to create a morphing animation. So if you want to apply other images, you can use the same format and apply other images. You get my point? So please like and share this video and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in our next video.